Okay guys, today we are at three-story semi factory and we can have a look around. So this project ranges from 8,000 square feet to 17,700 square feet, which ranges from 4.1 million to 8.8 million Malaysian ringgit. So guys, let's look around the area. In this video tour, we'll be covering the ground floor, first floor, second floor and the rooftop. I'm also going to give some important information about this factory. The expected completion date for this factory is on Q4 2027. It is also equipped with heavy-duty floor loading, 40 feet container access with wide frontage and driveway. It also has a service lift for 1.5 tons and motorized shutters, and this factory is also EV charging and solar PV ready. One great thing about this factory is it is at the prime Puchong location, which is strategic to connect to KLIA, highways and seaport. So guys, anyone who's interested in this factory, you can contact me from the descriptions, or you can just go to the link in bio and contact me. Thank you.